Hey everyone, it's Vijay back with another exciting video. Today, I stumbled upon incredible tool developed by Collaptide that sets to transform how to create short videos. Imagine whipping up a short video faster than you can cook instant noodles. Sounds impossible, right? But it's true. This AI tool is an absolute game changer, packing features like generating engaging Reddit stories, creating fake tests, producing AI story videos, crafting realistic dialogues, and delivering spot on captions. It's everything you need to create captivating content in one place. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the magic of this tool. Just head over to Google, type short.ai, and click the top link to explore. I will also leave the link in the description for easy access. Now, let's check out these amazing features. Head over to Google so that you will able to see the screen after typing short.ai, this one. Okay, first we will see about the Reddit story. We can create Reddit story within minutes. See here, just click on Reddit story, choose anything, just click on next. Here you need to write the Reddit post description. You need to write the this one example. Reddit post description is create viral videos, video script, time to lapse. Just I'm giving some random text. Just click on next, and after that you can choose the captions options also. Whatever you interested, take that one. Click on next. Like that, you have to choose the if Indian or energetic or Avias or Deepak or anything, you can take the voiceover. Okay. Just again, I will go back here and I will show another one, fake text generator. Only a few clicks to generate. It will generate the fake text. Here is the video. Just click on next. After that, left to try to write anything. Welcome to Short A. Then add sender. Click on this one. Okay. Then click on next. Then click on next. See here again it will ask for this one. You click on generate video. It is as simple as that. You can create the video within minutes. After that, AI story. This is the amazing. This one, the fastest way to create short video. See here, just choose the anything you need. Just click on next. Click anything you use to click on next. Use it. You have to choose here 30 to 60 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, or 90 to 1 second. Click on generate script. It generates the script to you. See here. Here you have to write the hook and you have to write the call to action. After that, the script, click on next. After that, select the caption. After that, next. Okay. Now we will see the pricings. You click on pricings. This AI tool is very cheap. As per my survey, $19 per month. You can create. You will get credits 160 credits per month. You can download video also in 160 credits. You can approximately you can make 80 videos per month. For pro, $30 per month, 360 credits. You can create 180. $60 per month, 720 credits per month. You can create up to 360. I hope this tool might helpful to create short videos within a short span of time. If you found this tool helpful, please explore the tool from the description, or you go to Google and type short.ai. So that thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.